how to add bank account to Revolut. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In this video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually add a bank account to Revolut. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to add a bank account to Revolut, first of all, just go ahead and then actually launch the Revolut application on your phone. Once you launch the Revolut app, just go ahead and then sign into your account and then use this type of interface. Now there are two ways to add money. One way that you can add money is right from the home page. You can just tap on the add money button and then you can simply add your debit card over here. But you can see we can add our debit card and then add money to our Revolut account, right? But we don't want to do this. Maybe you just want to add a bank account instead of a debit card. Well, you can absolutely do that as well. For that, just tap the profile icon from the top left hand side of the screen. Once you tap the profile icon from the top left, scroll down and then you'll find the option called account. Just tap on it. Once you tap on account, go to all accounts and then just select the account that you want to add or link your bank account to. Once you select that account, it will take you to a page where you can verify your identity, and then once you've completed the identity verification, only then you'll be able to actually add a bank account. And after you do this, just verify it and it'll ask you for a permission to link a bank account. You can absolutely do that after that. This is how you can simply link a bank account or add bank on Revolut. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end and see you in the next video.